విజయవాడలో అమరావతి క్వాంటమ్ వ్యాలీ నేషనల్ వర్క్షాప్ కు సీఎం చంద్రబాబు హాజరయ్యారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
India was importing. Today we are exporting. There is huge demand globally, even for electronics production, and also drones. Without drones, nowadays we are all watching. Drone is very, very essential to war or otherwise to have civilian applications, so many things. We created a drone city. Automobile, new technologies are emerging. Green energy, EV vehicles, everything there we are working. So, Andhra Pradesh is very strong in green energy. I have seen in my life, there was no phone. Only affluent people, 5-6 villages or in a town, 1 or 2 phones. In 1989, when I started 1978 as MLA, 89 I contested from Kuppam. For the last 9 times I'm winning there. I announced in Kuppam in one public meeting, I am going to bring electronic exchange. Then my opposition criticized me, how he is going to bring electronic exchange. Manual, because we had only 20 phones in the constituency itself. That was the issue now. Everybody in my constituency today, they are having cell phones, smartphones, everybody is operating. Today, if you can see, in my government, all services I wanted to provide through WhatsApp governance. That is what IT Ministry has started. It is going on as on today extremely well. By August 15th, 100% services will be online. Nobody need to come to office. There is one more advantage in this. I can analyze through AI tool what type of complaints, who is complaining, whom they are complaining, then I can take so many actions. Now here I wanted to request all of you, this is the ecosystem we wanted to create. There quantum computing is very much needed. As Kamakoti has rightly mentioned, by January 1st, Quantum Computing Center will operate from Amaravati. This is where beginning of Quantum Valley. Then, not only starting with quantum computing, you have to bring ecosystem. You have to bring use cases. He rightly mentioned 100 use cases by August 15th, 2026. That was the beginning only. I wanted to see, as on today, very interestingly, if you can go through, average AI usage. World average 31%. India average 65%. Here, top AI usage, China, India, USA, Europe. I am confident China population will reduce, India population will increase. More AI utilization will be India. That is going to happen very soon. I am 100% confident on that. If you talk all these things, if you see here, 92% of Indian knowledge workers are using AI. Just now IT Minister has rightly mentioned, he had a confusion on quantum computing. Then he asked ChatGPT. Immediately it has given answer for him. Then no need to shy away, or otherwise he got answer for that. That is the future now. I am saying to all my workers, everybody, any doubt you can go. I am giving a vision now. And also we are giving concepts, vision, he has to get it done now. As Honorable Minister has rightly mentioned, Government of India is committed for a cause through quantum mission, and also Government of Andhra Pradesh has taken lead. He created some hubs, all these things he explained all of us. Funds, resources is not the constraint. When there is a will, everything will fall in line. We can create wealth. We can generate revenues. Again, we can spend money. That is how economy will run. So all friends are here. It is a win-win situation. All ecosystem players I am requesting, you join us for this great momentum. I don't have any doubt we will achieve it. But as our friends have mentioned, India should become a player, not a participant. Any ecosystem we have to create. All international companies, I am telling you, if you miss now, you will miss forever. Nobody can venture missing India. It is a happening place, and also no longer if you think we will develop a product, we will market in India. No, you develop a product in India and you use Indian market also, and also Indian resources. So with everything, we are having clear vision. We will transform our vision with the support of Government of India. Friends, I am requesting, sky is the limit for innovations. You are thinking somebody is innovating. Essence of time, you have to keep it in mind. Move in the competitive world, then everything is possible. I am very happy by seeing all of you, so much of response. Even our people have stopped at one stage further registrations because room is very full. That is the enthusiasm it has created now. As our people have rightly mentioned, we have created one ecosystem, Ratan Tata Innovation Hub at Amaravati, and also 5 zones, 5 spoke models. We wanted to bring industry to lead, academic institutions as knowledge partner, and also I wanted to promote in a big way every one family, one entrepreneur. Earlier I promoted one family, one IT professional. It has served my purpose. Today I am promoting one family, one entrepreneur. That is especially in a knowledge economy, working from anywhere. It is not a big issue. Think globally, act globally. Distance is not the constraint. From Vijayawada or remote village in Andhra Pradesh, you start a company, you can serve the global community. That is the for today. That is going to happen for future. With this, for all our endeavors, quantum computing is going to play very crucial role. It will be next level. It won't come below this. With this excellent meeting, always I am saying I am a student, learning from others, and through public policies, I wanted to implement for the empowerment of people. Even today, by sitting here 4 or 5 hours, I am writing everything. I am understanding next level of technologies, how to integrate in my governance. I am very happy. Excellent occasion, very good momentum. Today you are going to declare Amaravati declaration. That declaration will take it up to the logical conclusion. I am assuring you again and again, any hurdles, I will work it out, I will sort it out. But Government of India is here there won't be any hurdles now. Everything is positive. So, good luck for all of us. Thank you. Excellent day. All of you joined. All giants are here. National, international experts are here. Now everything is possible. Good luck for all of us. Thank you. Thank you one and all.
And this vision received a standing ovation from all the investors. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the wonderful and inspiring words, sir. Thank you very much, sir. And now I request the Secretary of Government, IT and C Department, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Bhaskar Katamaneni IAS, sir, to please come forward for the Amaravati draft declaration.